Morning, folks. 7 a.m. February 5th, 2022. It is Saturday morning, bright and early. Taking a look here at XRP. XRP has been making some moves from today and yesterday, currently up 2.5%. Yesterday was a nice day. Looks like we closed up about 7.4%. 0.4 cents, and then today we are up, looks like 1.5 cents so far. The day is early. We have a long way to go. Getting some nice confirmation with Bitcoin to the upside, and some altcoins are following. So is this the final leg up, the final stage of the bull market? It is looking like it, and we will obviously know soon. Taking a look here at XRP. So I have the Fibonacci's laid out on the chart. I took the swing high from April 21 down to the swing low, which was in June 21. And that low was 50 cents. And then the swing high over here in April was $1.96. Swing high, swing low, and that will lay out the different Fibonacci numbers, price areas on my chart. So taking a look over to the right hand side, you can see we are trading at 66 cents, and we have some Fibonacci targets on the chart. So we can look up to our first line in the sand, and that is the 0.236 fib retracement, and that gets us to 85 cents. Working our way above that, we have the 0.382. That gets us to $1.06. Above that, we have the 0.5. That gets us to $1.23 shown right here. Above that, we have the 0.618. That's $1.40 for XRP. Above that, we have the 0.786. That's $1.65. And then taking us up to that April high, we have $1.96. So you can see how these lines also correlate with prior price action, trading sideways or areas of support resistance. So for example, let's take a look here at the 0.382, which is right here on my screen. And you can see that there's areas of, so this whole area right in here, this September to August area, price traded up, found support, traded up, found support, finally broke down through it on, looks like about September 18th. And then we continued to bounce up and down below that Fibonacci retracement before ultimately rolling over. So you can see how these fib lines play a key role in price action, whether that's price finding support, whether that's price finding resistance. So you can use these as areas to kind of keep on your screen. When the price gets up to, you can expect some kind of a reaction. Another example would be over here to the 0.786. You can see how we obviously broke above it very strong on April 13th, trading up and then rolling over. And then in this whole area here from, let's see, May 1st to May 19th, we could not get back above that area. We kept bumping our head on it, and then it finally rolled over to the downside, eventually finding support at the 200-day moving average. So this is just a very zoomed in view for XRP. Obviously, the next area of potential resistance for XRP is going to be that 85 cent area. 83 to 85 cents is an area that XRP could bump its head in the very short term. And that does correlate with all of this price action over here from December into early January. So we will see. Zooming in a little bit closer here for XRP. So between the 70 and 80 cent range. Let me get a tool here. So between 70 and 80 cents, if XRP can get up above that, we think we are going to be in the early stages of a much, much higher run for XRP. We are obviously very bullish on XRP long term, but looking at more of a zoomed in short term, call it a trade. If we can get up into this 70 to 80 cent range and hold, we think XRP is in the early stages of making a much higher move to the upside. Not financial advice, just kind of what we're looking at here and what our thoughts are. Please do your own research and let me know down in the comments, where are you looking to accumulate XRP? Are you long from the 20 cent range or even lower? Are you waiting for higher prices? Let me know down in the comments. But we're kind of looking for that 70 to 80 cent range for XRP right now. And so far we are bumping our head a little bit. Looks like we hit a high today of 68 cents. So we're getting close to that 70 cent range. We will see. We do have a lot of this overhead resistance up in here. That's good. The price naturally will find a little bit of a troublesome area. Let me clear my chart and zoom out and show you one more thing here. So we took the swing high from April. I want to zoom out and take the all-time high, which is like $3.31. So we'll take that swing high and we'll take us down to, I believe it was like 11 cents or so for XRP. Looks like right around there will work. So that's basically the all-time high and then the 11 cent range. Now it's not the all-time low for XRP. The all-time low for XRP is over here. But since it is behind this all-time high, I'm taking the low after the all-time high, which would be over in this March 2020 area, when the markets were wild to say the least. So taking a look at the fib numbers now, so we still have this 87 cent range at the 0.236. Above that, we have a $1.34. And now we're above that dollar range. Above that, we have the 0.5 at $1.71. Above that, the 0.618 gets us to $2.09, give or take, right around $2. The 0.786 gets us up to $2.60 range, and then obviously the all-time highs are $3.30. So we will see. You can see that this 0.5 here is at $1.71 range, and you can see just how the price bumped its head there. It couldn't get above that Fibonacci number, that retracement. So we will see. But taking a look at Bitcoin, looks like Bitcoin's bottom for now has been in, and short trades were closed, and there is some long trades getting established over there. So that is very interesting. And we will see if this is the final leg up here, where the altcoins ultimately usually make their massive runs to the upside. XRP being one of the last, being one of the biggest. Are we in the early stages here? It's looking like it. Like I said, we are looking for that 70 to 80 cent range to get up and hold. And then I think we could be off to the races here. So we will see. Things can move fast when they get going. So, and you can see that over here. Let me clear my chart here. If you look over to this area right here, looks like that was April 5th when we broke above these highs here, which were overhead resistance. That was a very big day. That day was up 43%. I mean, we had a low of 61 cents and a high of 93 cents. That was a massive day. So, like I said, when things get going, they can happen very fast. So what does that mean right now? It means that we're trading at 67 cents. We could blast right above that 70 to 80 cent range and be up into this 90 cent range within one or two or three candles. So kind of keeping our eyes glued to the chart here for an area for a break above that 70 to 80 cent range. But go ahead and throw some Fibonacci's on your chart. Get familiar with those overhead price areas. Keep your eye on that 70 to 80 cent range. As always, do your own research. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on XRP. Anybody who is looking to buy XRP, I have a video on how to buy XRP within the Uphold account I will leave that down in the video description. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and keep your eyes glued up here on XRP. It's only a matter of time, we believe, until this thing is rocketing to the upside. Much, much higher prices, double-digit XRP. The Fibonacci's tell us that it's only a matter of time until XRP is trading at the double-digit range. All right, take care.